Happy morning, children. Today we are going to solve practice set 8.1 question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals of given measures. So the first question is, the information is given to draw quadrilateral MORE. So the first step will be, we need to draw a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is having how many sides? 4 sides. So a rough figure has to be drawn first. And here the name of the quadrilateral is MORE. So in this you have been given lengths of 2 sides and measures of 3 angles have been given to you in the start only. And we have discussed everything in detail about the meaning of adjacent sides. So if you see here, what is the meaning of adjacent sides? Adjacent sides will have a common vertex. One point, the one vertex will be common to both the sides. So if you see the names of the length of the sides, MO, side MO and side OR. O is the common vertex for side MO and OR. So they are adjacent sides. So what is given here? Two sides, that is adjacent sides, and measures of 3 angles. Like this you should understand. See, MORE, and we have discussed how to write the names of the quadrilaterals, clockwise, anti-clockwise. If it is now M, here I have written M. So either O, where O will be, it will be here or it will be here. You cannot write here up opposite. Okay, so after M I will take O here. M O R E. So the basic concept properly you should do. MORE. So we have drawn the rough figure. This is okay. This is over. Now we will write MO. What is MO given? See, MO and OR. Common vertex. So it is adjacent side. So I told you all, your basic concept should be clear. Then you can quickly understand what is given in this construction, what you have to construct, which are adjacent sides, which are opposite sides. Okay, now MO is 5.8 and OR is 4.4 centimeter. Okay, 5.8 centimeter. Next is measure of angle M is given 58. So 58 is the measure. Then measure of angle O is 105. 105 degree, 58 degree, and measure of angle R is 90 degree. Okay, so like this you draw the rough figure first. So you will get, suppose it's a 4-mark question, 1 mark you will get for drawing the rough figure. Now we will first start with length of OR. We will draw side OR. Measure of the length of the side OR is given as 4.4. This is the base, the foundation. So we will start with the first step. We will take length of OR as 4.4 centimeter. So we will draw. So this is 4.4 centimeter OR. Now we have to draw an angle O measuring 105 degree. So we will use protractor. Here this is the center point of the protractor. This you have to place on point O, and this is called as the baseline. It should lie on the side OR. So place it like this. Okay, and what angle it is? 105 degree. So we have to see, when you are looking at it, where you should see, that also you should know. Side OR is there. So here R is there, point R is there. Start from here. At point R, the 0 is given. See here, R is there and 0 is there. Start from here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and this is 105. Okay, can you see this point? So these are small marks. They are called as division. So with your pencil, mark the point at 105 degree. Okay, and remove it, and then draw the ray. See this, with green color I am showing this point, the end points, so that you can see it properly. Okay, now you draw the ray. Okay, now next what we have to do, we have to draw an angle measuring 90 degree. But first thing what we can do is, we can finish with 5.8 centimeter length, adjacent side as is being said. But first step will be, you need to draw the angle. After drawing the angle, we will draw the length of the side 5.8, with 5.8 centimeter length we will draw the segment. Now what you do, we have to draw length MO 5.8 centimeter. You should take the compass, and distance between this steel point and pencil point should be 5.8 centimeter. So here if you can see, I've taken the scale. See, I'm placing it here, and see here 5.8. Can you see here? Exactly 5.8 centimeter. Place your steel point of your compass here and cut an arc. Okay, like this you cut an arc. Can you see the arc here? So at this point you name this will be the vertex of the quadrilateral. Name the point M. This is your point M. Now at point M, you can draw an angle measuring 58 degree. Okay. Now this angle and this angle, it is your choice whether you want to draw this first or this first. It won't make a difference, because we have been given at two adjacent sides. So the base is what? Draw the base of the quadrilateral, this OR. Then at here, draw an angle 105 degree. Then draw length of the segment MO measuring 5.8. Okay, so that you don't make any confusion with it, what to draw first and all. This is the foundation. This is over. Now we can draw 90 degree angle here, and angle M also we can draw. There is no problem with that. Whichever you want you can draw. So here 90 degree is easy to draw. With the help of set square also you can quickly draw 90 degree. But now I have kept here protector with me, so I'll just draw it. Okay. So this here green point I have marked, so that you can see it clearly. So this is 90 degree. Followed everybody? Now after this what you will do, at point M, what we have to take? 58 degree angle. Okay. Now as I said, 58 degree angle. Now at point M, I have placed the center of the protector. Now you will say, means how to see what to say. Now MO is, see, O is to the right, right? So you have to start here, 0 is given. So start from where O is. O is to the right, no? So start from 0 like this. Because to the left of M we don't have anything now. So it should start with this inner scale where there is 0 here, see. And O is to the right. So from here 0 you have to start. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 and 58. Okay, like this you have to mark. Now with the help of the scale, this point and this point you join and extend it. This is your ray. Okay, so here what you will write? 58 degree. And here also what you will do? Show the arrows properly. Like this arrows you show properly. This point of intersection of this ray and this ray, you mark here this point E. Okay, this is the way you have to draw the quadrilateral having two adjacent sides and three angles.